Hey, great day to you. So if you're looking for the best sales tax software for e-commerce, then I invite you to check out Link My Books with a special free trial link down in the description of the video. This link also helps you get free onboarding so you understand exactly how Link My Books works, and people from Link My Books will answer any of the questions you have and guide you step by step. And also you're going to find a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months with Link My Books. So what is Link My Books? Link My Books is accurate accounting on autopilot, so save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So this is awesome tool for e-commerce integrations. So as it says here, stop wasting time gathering data from your sales channels. Use Link My Books to integrate them with your bookkeeping system. So for example, for Amazon, myself, Bob, I have an Amazon seller. Great to meet you. So Amazon integration, sync Amazon payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately so you can connect your Amazon shop to Xero or QuickBooks through Link My Books. And also same can be done with Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, or WooCommerce, okay? And you can use it as a seller or as an accountant or bookkeeper. So basically, we have created a tutorial for you, which you'll find in the description, with the co-founder, Daniel Little, that shows you how to use Link My Books from A to Z. And yeah, basically 30-minute tutorial where we show you how it works, how to make the most out of it, so you understand exactly how it can benefit you. So that's video number 1 if you're an e-commerce seller. Now, also, Link My Books can be used by accountants and bookkeepers. So we have prepared another video, which is about 41-minute tutorial for bookkeepers and accountants that want to use Link My Books to manage their e-commerce clients through the software. So in this way, less errors and kind of more speed with your processes and more streamlined processes through software. And hopefully this will help you get more clients even because you have more time, because hopefully you'll be able to save more time with each client by using software as a bookkeeper or an accountant. So this video is also down in the description. Again, Link My Books can help you with accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot in the description. Free trial with a free onboarding as well, so you get all your questions answered. You're going to get help from Link My Books team and 50% off for 3 whole months special coupon code in the description. My name is Vava Evan. I'm a seller on Amazon and also an affiliate of Link My Books. So if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content. I'm truly grateful for that because in this way I can keep my content free, hopefully forever for you, with no paywalls here on my YouTube channel or on my blog at vavaevan.com. I truly thank you for your time, and I'm hoping that you're going to thrive in your life and be well. Good luck to you. Thank you for watching.